How much did the sales skill carry with you into your subsequent businesses? Was that something that you felt was a necessity to have, or do you think that folks who are perhaps less experienced in sales can have success inside business?
I think for me personally, it did definitely go a long way. Just the ability to communicate with people has always served me well. I don't think that it's an absolute necessity. I mean, there's people that are out there that are extremely successful that I wouldn't necessarily say that they have the best social skills. So I think it can be a combination of both of those. I think just putting yourselves out there, taking risk. Most people that obviously are entrepreneurs and successful ones have taken those giant leaps of faith. They've bet on themselves effectively, which is what we all have to do, right? It starts with believing in yourself. I think the sales component of it has definitely served me well, just the ability to communicate with people, influence people, not necessarily in a deceptive manner, obviously, but just being able to, through that dialogue, really communicate well with them, make them kind of see my points of view, obviously adding value to whatever service or product I'm trying to sell, I think goes a long way. So I don't think it's an absolute necessity, but people need to fake it until they make it. They have to be able to get out of their comfort zone. That's when success starts to happen. And if they're timid or they're shy, build up that confidence through reading, having good mentors that are going to kind of break you out of that shell. Kind of a long answer to your short question. I think it served me well, absolutely, but I don't think that success is absolutely dependent on that for anyone.
I think that's a great answer. I had a lot of background in sales too, that's why I ask. And I would agree, I think it's served me well. I would definitely encourage people who have not yet taken time to polish their skill of being able to find solutions for needs, to work on that. Sales is one of those interesting things. I think it's a real advantage to have that skill. I don't think it's a necessity. I don't think success is contingent upon having that skill, but I don't think it'll ever hurt you. So it's interesting that you mentioned that, and I could see that in you for sure. So Michael and I have known each other now for quite a few years, and the Pink Houses concept was obviously intriguing. I was always kind of fascinated by this attention that you guys were getting. Stick around, make sure you check the link in the description. I'm gonna go ahead and send you guys back to the original video that talks more about the Pink Houses opportunity. It is limited, and I say that in all of these videos. It's geographically related. This is not an unlimited supply. And you guys are killing it, man. I mean, the audience that we have here on YouTube that has explored this opportunity and has taken advantage of it, they just keep coming in and racking up the money. They are making some huge headway and have amazing success stories. So we're going to talk to a couple of people this afternoon for some updates. I want to hear how their progress is going. And until we see you guys on the next video, make sure you're a subscriber to the channel. Turn on your post notifications by hitting that bell, and then you'll be alerted every time we drop another video. Make sure you drop a like on this if you guys want us to continue to make good content regarding tips and tricks that successful people are using in order to create their wealth. All right, guys, until we see you on the next video, make it a great day. Take care.